In Nifty, actually, we were expecting a positive biasness once it has crossed this 11,240 level, and since on 28th, it has hit to our first target of 11,300 level and closed near that. So we were expecting if this 11,300 level would have taken out and Nifty forms some a double confirmation for this breakout, then we can expect 11,500 level. But on the contrary, actually, if you see, yesterday Nifty has uh, did some consolidation at this level from 11,240 to 11,300 level, but then could not sustain at the higher level and started its journey again downwards. And once it broke this to 11,240 level, it came down to 11,150 level. So now for today, if you see, we have shifted our positive biasness to negative biasness. The reason is even the option data suggests that the resistance is now shifted from 11,500 to 11,300 level. So, on the contrary, that we expected some move to take a support either at this level 11,240 or at 11,000 level, 11,100 level. Now, there is a possibility that if it doesn't take the support at this 11,100 level, then it can break down and we can have 11,000 level very soon if it breaks down. And further going down 11,000 10,850 and 10,700 levels can also be seen. But today being an expiry date, there can be good volatility, and again if it breaks this level of 11,300 on upside with decisiveness, we can again expect 11,500 level also. That will be very crucial to trade on Nifty, being today as our expiry date. In HCL Tech, the stock has given a one-side run-up from almost 550 level to 741 level, or that is almost 180 points. And now we can expect some pause in the rally. And in recent also, if you see from 641 in this leg, it has given 715, so almost again 80 points rally. And at this top, it is forming a M formation, that is the double top formation, and it has broken this neckline of 700 level. So today if it comes down, means it has already come down, and if it goes up and takes a resistance again at this 700 or maybe 704 level, and then forms a structure like this, a double formation, a double top formation, so we can have a confirmation that now the HCL Tech will be going down. And further, if it breaks this 686 level, then that will be an big confirmation, and we can expect a big downside 673 and 660 level in coming days. So we will initiate a sale call on HCL Tech on intraday as well as positional basis. In NIT Tech also, we are seeing the same structure formation like HCL Tech. Stock has moved from 1680 level to 1890 level, and now we can expect some resistance at this 1940 level. So if it forms some uh, M formation, that is after a consolidation it starts moving down, then we will initiate a sale call with 1940 as our stop loss and first target as 1802, second 1742, and third 1688. In Ultratech Cement, again, in last 2 days it has given a very good upside. In a short span it has rallied from 3947 to 4292 level, almost 300 points, uh, 300 plus point. So we can expect some retracement. So we will be initiating a sell call if the stock goes up, takes a resistance at this 4290 level or 4300 level, and comes down, then we will initiate a sale call. After 4976 is taken out, then immediately we can expect 4070 as our first target, 4024 as our second, and 3955 as our third target. We have been tracking Z from a long time, and uh, recently also we expected, after a fall from 183 to almost 150 level, we expected that it will take some support and give one upside. Uh, but it has given upside, but after this 166 level, it did not sustain at this level and again came down. So it made a swing from this to almost 167 level, and once it broke this level of 152 150, it slide down, and now it is at 140 level, 141 level, which is again a crucial support zone based on the previous swing levels. It becomes a natural support zone. So after this recent fall from 167 to 141, it has taken support at this 141, inched up, and again from 146.6 level came down at the same level, and now looks like again it is taking a support at this level. So we need a confirmation. So once it breaks this level of 144.7, we will have that confirmation, like a forming of a W with the 141.5 as the support zone. Then we can expect immediately 146.6, 149 and 152 levels, maybe in intraday or in a day or two. And if it sustains above this 152 level, then again the next target will be 162, further going up 170 and 178 levels can also be seen. So we can initiate a buy with the very good risk reward ratio, as the downside is very limited, and with 141 or 141.25 we can have a stop loss. So this risk is limited and the upside is very good. So for intraday and positional, we have a buy call on C. Bharti Airtel is also forming a good structure to have a positive biasness, and if it breaks this 573 level, we can initiate a buy call, because this range will be taken out, consolidation range will be taken out, and with immediate stop loss of 558 to start with, and once it crosses this and our trade is initiated, we can move our stop loss to maybe 560 level. And if it moves with a consolidation like this, uh, then this consolidation range will become as our stop loss, so that we can have a smaller stop loss and upside can be like 582 and 591, so the risk reward will improve further. So we will have a buy call initiated only above if it breaks 573 level. One of our friend have requested views on this stock, Nestle India. Uh, uh, Actually, if you see, this stock is with a very high value, so a single stock will cost you almost 17,000, but still the view is there. Recently, it has corrected from 17,450 level to almost 16,500 level, almost 1,000 point correction, 8-9% correction, and now it is forming a base in short term. So if you see a green candle, after that a red candle, again a green candle, so this red candle is sandwich by these two green candles. So if we have a formation like this tomorrow with this stop loss of 16,500, we can initiate a buy call, and once this 16670 or 690 level is taken out, we will have 17,000 as the first target, 17,175 as second, and 17,450 as third, and above that we can expect 17,800 and further. So our entry will be either if it does a consolidation at this level or comes down and does a consolidation at this level, that is 16,275, then also we will initiate a buy. So these two possibilities are there, but we can have a positive biasness on Nestle for few days.